You won't believe I made 5 cups of homemade spaghetti sauce for $4. Listen, if you get SNAP food stamps or just have a low grocery budget, like, subscribe, and follow this channel because I'm gonna show y'all how to get the most out of that budget. Listen, these kids gotta eat and they getting ready to go back to school and they need new school clothes. So we're gonna stretch that dollar as far as it can stretch. Listen, I make this homemade spaghetti sauce. And it's not even hard, y'all. This is so easy to do and it will save you a ton of money. The first thing I did was I sauteed my onion in a little oil. Then I added my garlic, but you don't want to saute your garlic too long. As soon as it becomes fragrant, you want to add in the tomatoes. Now, if you don't want to use um, diced tomatoes, I'm just showing you what I did. You can mix and match whatever you want. I'm just showing you the easy way to do it. And then if you want to substitute another can of tomato sauce for the diced tomatoes, do that. It's your kitchen, it's your food. Like, I'm just showing you how I did it to get the cost low, and then you tweak it in your kitchen the way you want it. So I sauteed my onion, I added my garlic just as soon as it was fragrant. Then I added my tomatoes. I chopped it up because I don't like tomato, but I like tomato sauce. So I chopped it up, but I wanted that little freshness in the spaghetti sauce. So after I chopped it up, I added my tomato paste, and then I cooked my tomato paste down just to give it that more deeper flavor. And then I added the tomato sauce and did the same thing. So then I mixed it all together. I added all of my spices, my seasoning, my granulated garlic, granulated onion, herb mix. I love basil and oregano, so I add basil and oregano. Like, do it however you want to do it. I'll leave a recipe guide below, but just do it how you want to do it. So now I added a little chicken bouillon because I like a little chicken bouillon in mine. If you don't, if you're making beef spaghetti, add a little beef bouillon. Add a little Worcestershire sauce. You can add, look, the sky's the limit. Get creative. Use those spices that y'all have from the holidays before they go bad so you don't waste your money. Add a little sugar though. So sugar helps to balance the acidicness. Is that a word? The acidic, y'all know what I'm talking about. The acid in the spaghetti sauce. Now, this was pretty thick, so I added a couple of cups of water to thin it out. If you don't want yours a little thinner, don't add the water. It's that simple. Like, cooking is easy, guys, and I want to show you how easy it is. And cooking homemade food is very easy, and I want to show you guys how easy it is so we stop wasting all of this money on all of this processed food and stuff that we can do ourselves. So then you just let it simmer. Just let the spaghetti sauce simmer, right? And after you let it simmer, now while this is cooking, my spaghetti noodles are boiling. You can use this recipe for spaghetti. You can use it for, I like to use it for, like, when I make homemade pizza, pizza sauce. The possibilities are endless. Look at this sauce. You're not getting this from the store. And it was only $4.07 to make in a few minutes.